This is our first talk ever, so be afraid. And we would like to show you some stuff about new open store, which will be the app for you can use on Ubuntu Touch instead of current app scope. So you can install and manage things from the open store.
Yeah, the other news is that we say Ubuntu Touch, it's official, and UBports guys can use the Ubuntu brand. So there is no difference at all. There has been a huge discussion with the community about the future name of the project. It's Ubuntu Touch, it's official, and that's a good news. Um, as we said, the Open Store is the new official way to install application on a Ubuntu Touch devices. The Ubuntu Store has been deprecated, so at the end of the year will stop working at all. And this is where we came to the rescue, and we'll try to make things better for installing, discovering new applications, and this is the work we are doing right now. Yeah, by the way, I'm Stefano Verzignassi.
I'm Michael Prodotka.
Yeah, as we say, it's a new client, and yeah, it's your part.
Yeah, it's a new version of the open store, which was currently available from the open store actually, because it wasn't in official store from Canonical. So we did a little bit of redesign, some improvement, and we want to show you how it will look now. So we've got now the new discovery section. From time to time there will be a new featured app. Like now it's UWriter, but it will change, like, I don't know, once a month. We'll see how often. And you can see what are new apps, what are recently updated apps. It's in the on the phone. On the bottom you can see like discover section, category search, my apps, and
Yeah, the other important difference between the Open Store and the Ubuntu Store is that the new apps and the updated apps sections are automatically updated by the server, so you always see all the newest applications at a single glimpse.
And there is convergence support, so the store will be looking good on most devices, like on the small phones, on the tablet, in landscape or in portrait, so it should look good. And you can browse apps by categories, search the store, and you've got my apps section when you see the apps you have installed on your phone or tablet.
Yeah, there are also further improvements which are not on the user interface but on our backend, and we are trying to make the startup of the application faster, and we are trying to optimizing the application performance by using less data usage. Currently, we fetch all the list of all the applications on the server once at the startup, so we had bad performance, and it's just consuming your internet connection for almost no reason. So we are trying to improve this thing now. And a bit more statistics. We currently have more than 350 applications available, and we have served more than 85,000 downloads. If you want to contribute and develop and send us your application so everyone can install it, you can simply log in with your Ubuntu One account or your GitHub account on open.uappexplorer.com. You don't need to provide us any data. Everything is handled automatically. so it's very easy to contribute. Once you have a login, you only need to submit your package, which must be a click package, or just provide us a link where the server can find the package on the cloud. These are our rules and the type of application we currently accept. We accept any application or scope that use standard permissions, and you can provide those applications as a click, and the application get automatically reviewed and published. And we accept both open and closed source applications, as we can safely say it's secure, as they can access all the critical parts of the hardware or the software. And we also accept, and this is the main difference between the Open Store and the Ubuntu Store, we accept the so-called unconfined applications, which use some restricted permission or different app armor templates. So they can access, for example, your home folder, or access a specific part of the or specific sensors or of the device, which are not completely safe. And we want to ensure the application is still safe anyway, so we ask people to provide us the source code of application. We will build the application for the developer, and we will check that everything works properly. And in this case, of course, closed source applications are not accepted, because we cannot ensure that everything is okay. Yeah,
Some statistics about apps.
yeah. Many people ask about which is the most downloaded application on the Open Store and on Ubuntu Touch devices, but we got a bit of problem with this PC, so you cannot see very well the list. And yeah, the most downloaded application is Open Store, which is pretty obvious. Then we have the Tweak tool, which is one of those unconfined applications which can change the settings, secret settings of the operating system. And then we have Telegram, which is a new entry. It's developed by one of the Ubiports guys, Florian, and they are doing a great job. And as you can see, it has been released some months ago, and it's already the fourth most downloaded application. And if you want to reach us or asking more information, you can join us on Telegram. We have a Telegram group. It's called Ubuntu Open Store. You can go to the sorry for this interruption. And you can go on the Ubiports forum. Me and Brian Douglas, which is the other guy who's working on the Open Store, are on the forum to help you with informations or any other kind of information. Or you can contact us on the mailing list on launchpad.net, /, Open Store, and -team. Yeah, that's okay. That's all. And if you have any question, or Jan, do you have nothing to say? Questions?
I have a question.
Yeah. Okay.
The screenshot you showed had some items underneath. I
Uh,
just checked. I don't have a new open store yet.
Yeah. Which one? This
Down,
one?
down.
Ah, okay. No, this is still
Work
in
in
progress.
progress.
Yeah. We think we will release a new version in a week or two, because we have still to arrange the latest details and ensure that everything works properly. But yeah, we decided to move the controls on the bottom, which is a more comfortable position, and that will, as you saw, converge on the left side of the window when you're on a tablet. And yeah.
Maybe it will change, but it should be looking like that at first. So I hope you like it.
Anything else? It's okay. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.